Are you gearing up for a brand shoot and feeling overwhelmed about what to wear? The stakes are high because this isn't just about your photo. This is about your brand. Today, we're going to dive into the essentials of choosing outfits that don't just look great, but truly reflect your essence. Let's get you ready for the expert that you truly are. Welcome back to More Style. If you don't know me, my name is Celeste Moore. I help entrepreneurs get ready for stage by discovering and mastering their own unique style. Today's topic hits right at the heart of how you're seen by clients, collaborators, and really your entire audience. What should you wear for a brand shoot? First, we need to answer, what's the message you want to send with these photos? Whether you're an entrepreneur, a speaker, or both, your brand should reveal your authentic self, connect with your audience, and reflect your business vision. So let's get into some guidelines how to make this happen. Number one is to define your brand's personality and tone. Your brand style should influence your wardrobe. Are you elegant and chic? Are you classic and traditional? Are you bold or dramatic? Are you romantic and feminine? Or are you more relaxed and approachable? Pinpoint the qualities that define your work. Think about fabrics, cuts, and colors that align with who you are, your characteristics, so that you can align these with your business and your brand. Number two is use colors wisely. Colors played a huge role in image consulting. If you've done your 4x4 color analysis, then you know which colors best harmonize with not only your personality, but your hair, your eyes, and your undertone. And if you haven't, and if you don't know them yet, now's the time to do that. Go for tones that convey trust, authority, and your brand's personality. Don't shy away from bolder colors if they align with your energy and your brand, but keep it cohesive overall in your messaging. For example, as you see this wall in the back of me, if you're on YouTube, navy conveys trust and professionalism. Trust and professionalism are one of the values that are in my brand's messaging. And that's very important to keep in mind when you're creating and defining what those colors are. But if you go to my website, you'll notice that I'm using a very dark to medium color purple now. I've rebranded with this purple because really my brand identity is innovative, creative, luxurious. Now, knowing what your message is and who your audience is very important when picking and choosing these colors. Number three, choose the right silhouette. Your outfit's fit and shape are critical. Just imagine if you were wearing an outfit that didn't fit your body. If you're wearing too tight of clothes, this is sending a message that either you haven't had time to go shop and get new clothes, and you're just throwing on whatever's in your closet, or you just didn't take the time and invest in yourself. If your clothes are too big, right? If they're too long or not tailored, it also sends a message that it's sloppy, it's not put together right. And when people look at you, they want to make sure that you look the brand. You are the brand. So make sure that your clothes fit you well. This is really about finding pieces that fit your silhouette, your vertical and non-vertical lines. Everybody has different body types and should know what they are so that when they're buying the clothes for the brand shoot, everything is fitting perfectly. We want to make sure that we're creating a nice proportion. While creating these strong silhouettes, this is going to enhance your confidence and your capability. Make sure to avoid any kind of trendy cuts and or pieces in this photo shoot. Classic and elegant will last a lot longer so that you may not have to go get a photo shoot every 6 months. Number four, ensure your clothes look pristine. Remember, this shoot is about showing your best self. Make sure your clothes are cleaned, pressed, and wrinkle-free. Make sure that you look over each piece of clothing before you're trying it on or before you're taking your photo shoot. That there's no snags, that there's nothing wrong with the clothes. Also, choose the best pieces that you own. You want an elevated look on camera. Make sure it also is your brand and it is your style. But create a more elevated look on camera. You want to make sure you leave a lasting impression, not just a first impression. So again, each piece should look and feel like you and come across as the brand you want your audience to see. Step 5, accessorize to strengthen your brand. Accessories are a powerful tool for adding personality. A statement watch, a signature necklace, or even unique sunglasses can leave a memorable impression. Just keep in mind, where are you having this photo shoot? Obviously, you're only going to wear the sunglasses if you're out doing a shoot outside. And if you have a hat, remember, and if it's a windy day, keep that in mind as well. And a dress if you're a woman. But only choose 1 or 2 items to accessorize, because we don't want you to not be the focal point. If you have more than 2 to 3 pieces, they will become a distraction. And we do not want that, especially for a photo shoot that could be going on your website or just for content in general. Number 6, don't forget the details. Last but certainly not least, make sure you're feeling good from head to toe. That means grooming, makeup, and even the small things like polished nails and comfortable shoes if you'll be standing all day. So when I'm talking about grooming, that means everybody should be showered, everybody should have their hair done nice. Whether you're a guy, make sure that you've trimmed up your beard, had a haircut. Make sure that for a woman that you have a little bit stronger makeup for this photo shoot. Everybody knows that the camera lights actually wash you out. So make sure that you get a little bit darker makeup so that you're actually looking normal in the photos. Polished nails. Make sure that your nails are nice and clean. And if you're a woman, make sure that your nails are done probably the day before. Now, you'll want to bring obviously a change of shoes if you're wearing comfortable shoes. If you're doing a full length picture, you want to make sure you have the right shoes to match the right outfit. Every detail contributes to the overall effect of these photos. Number 7 is be elevated but comfortable. Finally, ensure you feel at ease. If you're uncomfortable, it will show. I had a photo shoot in December, and it was the day before I was having major surgery. Now, I know this is probably not the best time to do a photo shoot, but I just knew that I'd be out for a couple months. And I needed to get some new photos. But honestly, when I look back at them, I can tell I was just not in a good headspace. And it's probably my least favorite photo shoot. So keep that in mind. Make sure that you are ready to take this photo shoot and smile, because honestly, your general feel of ease and excitement will shine through. Select pieces that you can move in, but make you shine, that make you feel confident. If that's a certain color, if that's a certain type of clothing item, wear those pieces. But remember, keep in mind that it should match the brand. It should match your message. Confidence truly shines when you are feeling natural and at your best. By following these steps, you'll create a look that's uniquely you, resonating with the people that matter most to your brand. If you're ready to nail a brand shoot, look, and want more personalized tips, reach out for a one-on-one consultation. And if you're serious about elevating your image, consider doing a 4x4 color analysis, a style analysis, and a body composition analysis with me. It's the ultimate way to ensure you're always in colors that make you look and feel incredible. Visit my website, celestemore.com, for more information. Don't forget to subscribe to the button below if you thought that this was helpful for more style and image tips. Let's make sure that your image speaks volumes before you even say a word.